Hello everyone, my name is Hilal Romidani. I am studying at the State Islamic University of Madura. And today I would like to share my language learning journey, especially in learning English. I started learning English when I was in elementary school. At that time, I learned simple things like greetings, numbers, and basic vocabulary. Honestly, at first, I felt that English was difficult because I was different from my daily language. However, I realized that English is very important, especially for education, communication, and future opportunities. That is why I became more motivated to learn it. And during my learning journey, I have experienced many interesting moments. Of the most memorable experience was when I tried to speak English in front of the class. I felt nervous and afraid of making mistakes, but my teacher encouraged me to keep trying. From that moment, I learned that making mistakes is a part of learning. Of course, I also face many challenges. Sometimes I found it difficult to understand grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. I also felt shy when speaking English because I was not confident. However, I tried to improve by practicing regularly, watching English videos, listening to songs, and doing assessment. Slowly, I became more comfortable using English. Now, I can feel my progress. I'm better at understanding English text, and I can speak more confidently than before. I have completed several assessment, presentation, and activities in English that are small achievements, but they mean a lot to time. In the future, I have because I want to be able to speak English fluently and confidently. I also went to English for my students. I also went to English for my studies. As save my goals, I plan to keep practicing every day, improve my vocabulary, and not be afraid of making text. From my language learning journey, I have learned that learning English not easy, but it is possible if we are consistent and motivated. The most important things is to keep trying and never give up. Thank you for listening to my story. See you.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast.
My name is Tefilia Anggreni Putri and I am your host today.
And I am Bilal Milani as the resource person today.
Okay, today we are going to talk about TOEFL. In this podcast, we will discuss TOEFL preparation. TOEFL can be challenging for many students. So